guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. Okay, so if you follow me on Instagram, by the time this video gets uploaded, I think you would have already seen that there is a much bigger Hermes box that I need to unbox. And that particular item is going to be in a separate video. So I did mention last week that when I did my unboxing for my ready-to-wear items, my clothing purchases recently, that I wanted to save a particular Hermes item and unbox it separately. So these two pieces are really special to me because they are completely daily wear items, things that I will use all the time. When I open them, you guys will see what I am talking about, but they are absolutely gorgeous. And you would be a fool to actually just stow them away in your cupboard and not use them. So hope you guys enjoy the eye candy. It's gonna be amazing. I will also try one of the items on for you guys so that I can style it up and show you guys what it's gonna look like. Without further ado, let's unbox this one first. So technically both of these items are SLGs, but they are still very, very exciting pieces. One of them is going to be obviously a wearable SLG, so you can probably guess what that's going to be. So I'm just going to undo this ribbon and I'm gonna open her up. And I am so happy to reveal to you guys something. It's just gonna be the one that I wear every day, all day, and you'll see what it is. It is the Hermes Björn wallet. So it is in this gorgeous blue Zanzibar color, and it's like a kind of dark blue with gold hardware, and it is absolutely stunning, guys. So I purchased this a couple of months ago actually, but I've never had the chance to unbox it because I've just been busy with work. I've also just been busy with a lot of other stuff, and so I thought that this would be a good opportunity to unbox it with the very, very special piece that I got last week. Or 2 weeks ago actually. For me, SLGs have not been something that really sings to me, so I don't really kind of purchase lots and lots. I have a couple of special pieces. I've got like a Dior limited edition multi-exotic leather one, which has like python, crocodile, and calf leather, like a mixture of it. I think you guys would have seen it. I also have the Saint Laurent one, which is also a python leather as well. So I have a couple of like special pieces of SLGs, but they're like card holders. In terms of a wallet, like a long wallet, I actually don't have anything other than my black Gucci one that I bought from like probably 10 years ago. That's right. So this is like how dedicated I am to my SLGs. I guess it's not so much dedicated, but it's more like I don't really care. Like I'll buy one really good one and I'll use it for like ever. So my Gucci one, which I will put up a photo of, I bought this, I think probably 10 years ago, and I've not swapped out my wallet since. I do swap out my my card holders because they're smaller and I have like 3 of them. But in terms of my actual wallet, that's been my wallet for 10 years. So I'm really, really excited to add this to my collection because now with my black one, it has silver hardware and this one has gold. So pretty much I'm set. And this gorgeous blue, like dark blue, will literally go with everything. And it's just a really nice pop of color as well. So I have a lot of neutral color bags in terms of like brown and grays and, you know, blue and black. And so, you know, having like a pop of color will be really nice contrast. So just to walk you guys through the Björn wallet. So with the Björn wallet, you can see here that it does have this gorgeous H clasp on it. It's not really a clasp, it's more like a buckle where you have this leather strap that just goes right through it. It is this beautiful gold plated buckle, and yes, that's right. So Hermes products are gold plated. If you see gold, it's going to be real gold, 18 karat gold. A lot of other brands, probably I would say every other brand, even Louis Vuitton, Chanel, Dior, everything like that, it's just brass or gold colored hardware and it's not actual gold. Whipping around the wallet, you can see the stitching is absolutely impeccable. You have this one strap that keeps it together. And then you open her up and you can see in here a very, very gorgeous simple design. You have Hermes Paris hot stamped in the middle. You've also got a gold plated zipper here as well, and I just love the attention to detail here. So on the zipper pull, you can see that there is this Hermes stamp there, and then you can see at the very end it's an H as at the end of the zipper. It's just this really, really amazing attention to detail that is just fantastic. Also, the leather itself is so supple on the inside. It's like lambskin, it feels like, but I think it's actually goat leather. And then on the outside, it is Epsom leather, so it's the more hardy printed one. And then you have 3 note slots. So you've got one big one and then 2 smaller ones, and it's just incredible. So guys, that's pretty much it for this Björn wallet overview. I can even give you guys like not just a first impressions, but like a wear and tear update in terms of like how well it's held up. I have actually used this wallet for a solid 3 months now. So you can see in the close-ups the condition and the quality of it. Yes, when I opened her up, you could see that there are indents along here at the top, but with any Continental wallet, that's always going to be the case. You can't get away with that. That's not a design thing. That's just how it is with these wallets. And my Gucci one, same thing. Every Continental wallet, same thing. Now, in terms of like leather stretching, I can tell you after 3 months of use, none of these credit card slots have gotten loose. I can put one credit card in and it just still won't slide out. The stitching, of course, is still impeccable. There is no loose stitching, there is nothing. And even on this bit here where it folds, where you're opening it up and down, just here, all of that is it's not cracking at all. So you can see here, there are no cracks along here. The leather is just so supple and beautiful. And yeah, so this is my new wallet that I'm so happy to add to my collection and that I will be keeping and using for an extremely long time, probably more than 10 years. So if you guys are interested in the Björn wallet, or if you want to just stay up to date as to the condition and the wear and tear over the years, definitely hit that subscribe button. All right, guys, so this is item number 1. And item number 2 is in this box, equally small box as well. And it is, like I said before, an SLG. So I'm so excited to reveal this because it is so gorgeous. And it is a wish list piece, as in like I have put this on my wish list at the Hermes store. And so it was after obviously building up my profile and like purchasing a set number of items up to a certain, cost and spending money. That's when I got offered this wish list piece. So, guys, it's just, and it's, okay, I'll talk about it after I reveal it, guys. Okay, so which way is it? Okay, I am so excited to reveal you guys. Oh my gosh, look at this. It's so beautiful, you guys. If you follow me on Instagram, you will already have seen this amazing piece. But, oh gosh, guys, it is just so exciting that I have this. It is so beautiful. Oh my gosh, you guys. Okay, so an overview of the item first. What is it? It is the Hermes Constance To Go. So it is a wallet on chain. Now you open her up and then there is a strap that comes with it where it just like slots in there. So I will give you guys a detailed overview. I'll put the strap on and then I will also start wearing the bag as well. So with the strap, guys, it is just a normal strap and it just has a little buckle over here and then a hole here. So essentially all you do is you slide it into the little belt buckle and you pop it into that hole there. So the strap is now on and you can see it is pretty much just a clutch. Now, as the name suggests, a wallet on chain, you can keep the chain off and just simply use this as a normal wallet, a normal big wallet. So, like I said, with my Bjorn wallet, that's gonna be my go-to wallet. So this is going to be a clutch, an evening item, or even just like a short like day trip kind of item for me where I wear it for running small errands or quick errands, I mean, and things like that. So giving you guys a close-up of this, guys, you can see it is this beautiful green color. It is so gorgeous. I don't know the exact name of it. You can see it is gold hardware. Now, I haven't peeled off the plastic yet, so the gold doesn't look as shiny or reflective, but it is very, very reflective. The reason I haven't pulled it off yet is because I don't want to be scratching that gold. I just want to keep it on for a little bit, and I don't have to worry about scratches just yet. Around the back, you can see that there is a pocket here, so it's perfect if you are going out, traveling somewhere. You can put your train ticket there, or like a parking ticket or something, and it's just really easy access. Opening her up here, you can see where the strap goes in. It's just simply like a belt buckle. Such a simple system. Again, I cannot state enough how soft the leather is. It is so beautiful. Opening her up, there is another pocket up front. And then you can see that there is a zipper here. And again, pulling that same attention to detail, you can see there is an Hermes engraved on the zipper pull. And then you can also see an H at the very end of the zipper. So with this, you can see there are 2 compartments inside. You can put, you know, everything you need, your essentials for like a night out. So like maybe a lipstick, a powder, and your phone, and maybe even like a very small charger in there. And then you can slot your credit cards or everything like that. And funnily enough, this Constance to Go wallet on chain actually has so many card slots. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then it's got 2 note slots around the back. So you can definitely take the strap off and use it as a regular wallet. So guys, this bag is the gorgeous Constance to Go wallet, and it is just so beautiful. I cannot wait to start wearing this. It's just amazing. So in terms of styling it up, you guys, I will put up some outfit shots, so you can see just in a very casual look. It will go very well with dressing it down. You can imagine that, you know, with just denim or a t-shirt, and it's just a pop of bright color, this beautiful green. And then you can also dress it up as well, you know, wearing it rather than crossbody on one shoulder. It becomes this gorgeous evening clutch. You can, you know, dress it up and be very, very formal and gorgeous and glamorous. So you guys, thank you so much. I really appreciate your support. If you have any questions about the Hermes buying process, or if you have any questions about the items that I've purchased, or just the whole kind of like, you know, experience generally, sound off in the comments below. A lot of you do reach out to me personally, like directly through DMs at and my Instagram. So please feel free to continue doing that. It's amazing. I love chatting with you guys, communicating, even just like any questions or advice about what to buy, feel free to hit me up. So thank you guys so much. I really appreciate it. Please subscribe and hit that like button, and I will see you guys in my next one for something incredible. Oh, I finally got that amazing, hey, I have a surprise for you phone call. So yes, definitely stay tuned because we have an orange box unboxing. All right, guys. Have a good one. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.